Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another opinion writing piece. Remember, an opinion is just what you think or how you feel about something. It's entirely up to you. It doesn't have to be the same as what anybody else thinks. It is your opinion. So you need to get the paper out of your packet that looks like this. We're going to get our name on the top. And we're also going to put today's date, which is the 3rd. 12 for December, 3 for the 3rd, and a 20 for the year. I want to know today's day. Today is Thursday, so we're just going to color in, or you can circle the word Thursday. And here's our question for today. What do you think is the best pet? And here are your choices. Do you think a cat, a dog, a bird, or a rabbit? Which of those do you think is the best pet? You're going to circle your choice. Now, I'm going to do my choice. Yours might not be the same. I think the best pet of these is a dog. So I'm going to circle dog. You circle the word for whichever pet you think is the best. Do you like cat, dog, bird, or rabbit? So circle your word. We're going to draw a picture of that pet. I'm going to draw a picture of a dog, or I'm going to try to do the best I can. So it's going to be running up a hill. So you're going to draw a picture of which pet you think is the best. And then we're going to come down here and write our sentence. If you want to come back and finish your picture later, that's okay. We're going to write a sentence. We're going to write, I think the best pet is a, and then you're going to fill in the last word with whatever choice you made, okay? So that's kind of a long sentence. I think the best pet is a blank. So we're going to start with I, uppercase I, because sentences always start with an uppercase letter. Our next word was think. Think is spelled T-H-I-N-K. I think. What's our next word? I think the. The is a sight word. It's T-H-E. I think the best. What do you hear at the beginning of the word best? I hear a bee, a bat, and a ball. That's how we stretch out a word and write the sounds we hear. So I heard B-E-S-T. Best. I think the best pet. Let's stretch pet out together. P-E-T. Do that with me. P-E-T. What do you hear? P-P. I hear a P. P-E. It's an E. And what do you hear at the end? P-E-T. A T. I think the best pet is, I'm going to put a finger space, and is a sight word, I-S. I think the best pet is a. Okay, now this last word is where yours might be different from mine. You're going to look back up here and see which animal you picked as the best pet. I picked a dog. So I'm going to put a finger space, and I'm going to copy the word dog. D-O-G. And then I'm going to put my period. So my sentence says, I think the best pet is a dog. Now yours might say, I think the best pet is a cat, or a bird, or a rabbit. Okay, so you're going to write whichever animal name you picked, and then don't forget your period. And then we're going to kind of check our work down here at the bottom. I used capital letters. The only place you should have a capital is at the beginning of your sentence. If you did that, give yourself a check. I use spaces. If you have nice spaces in between your words, like the finger spaces I made, you can give yourself a check. And then I used punctuation. That period we put at the end of the sentence is called a punctuation mark. So if you remembered that period, you can give yourself a check. All right, you can go back and color the picture of the animal you chose. Finish drawing your picture and color that one, and you will be all done. I can't wait to see what you all thought was the best pet.